All right, he was crowned the national champion at the Red Bull Dance Your Style event held the other day. He joins us now on set. Joel Immortal. You're Immortal for true?
Yes,
when it comes to dance, you're
yeah, man.
Immortal. Congratulations to you, sir.
Right.
You beat 15 choreographers. This was at the Lot at 33 Content Spring Road. Was this Wednesday gone or Wednesday before?
Wednesday before.
Wednesday before. All right, so tell me a little bit about yourself. How long have you been dancing?
Well, from myself still, from a child growing up, dancing always be a part of my life. So, I can't tell you when we start, but I can tell you when we take it serious.
When you take it serious?
Well, from I was in grade 9, when we win something from a school, which is Central High School, JCDC. I was like, you know what, when I take it serious, because everybody has say, yo, I not like that, you can dance. So you need to take this thing serious. I say, you know what, real talk, So the view of me have is just to leave an impact across the world, with the dancing. So I say, you know what, I start to take it serious.
So what did that look like? What did taking it seriously look like? What did you start to do to make yourself better?
First, we used to do a whole heap of like a dance promotion, because me always see dance with flow, I always like a dream come true for me if I always a dance with flow. Until me get that link.
Dance for flow, you said?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, like the promotion work with them go up on the road and thing there. So I find myself I do that first, and then from this I lead to cause me and a Kingstonian, me a countryman straight.
Where you come from?
St. Catherine.
All right.
Hola, but big up on myself, my place that.
Country, Hola, country.
Them say country.
All right.
Yeah, so from there, me used to travel back and forth, come to Kingston, to do a flow thing. I kind of did that from my side. So, actually meet friends there from in Kingston, from Grand Spin. So, I start to stay over. And we used to do more dancing and from there, it lead to teaching. Start to create and,
And where were you teaching?
Over tourists that come here, read, that dancehall teachers as well, just by the work that we put in. And
excellent.
Then start to come and request classes and stuff, and we start to create moves. So comes everything start to go in play now,
So what is your style of dance? For people who've never seen you dance, never seen you on the flow commercials, what kind of dance does Joel Immortal do?
Joel Immortal is it's a fun person when it comes to dancing. I always leave a fun impact. I always like to touch the feeling and the soul of people when we dance, That I impact me. I always want to try to.
So it's dancehall, is hip hop, is a little
Well, it's a mix. It's a mixture of everything. It come from even Afro.
Yeah.
Hip hop, because we try to do everything versatile. So everything just go in one thing,
Okay.
Yeah.
So tell me about the competition now. 15 people. You beat 15 people. Was hard?
Well, it's hard, yes. All of those dancers in the competition is my close friend.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so it was even nerve-wracking. There, sitting down, put our friends and the supporters in the same nervous first as well, because it's hard to choose when it's, but it's dancing. So we have to go out there and do what we have to do, right?
So how did it work? Was it rounds that you had to?
Yeah, 2 rounds.
2 rounds.
Yeah.
So they eliminated from the first round.
Yes.
And then the second round had how many of you?
The second round lead down to around 8 people.
8.
Yeah.
And you dance it off and you come out on top.
Yeah.
How did you feel when they said the winner is Joel Immortal?
Actually, we kind of did a cry still, tears of joy. Because Red Bull, Red Bull big. And Red Bull is something me always dream to be a part of. To represent my country is like a dream come true as well. So everything is it just
falling into place.
Yes, just
so now you have your Red Bull, you have your wings, and you're gonna jump on the plane that have the wings that's gonna take you to where? South Africa, Joburg.
Yes.
You're heading to Johannesburg for the Red Bull Dance Your Style World Final.
Yeah.
You're gonna join dancer Flex Caution, who's the previous year's winner.
Yeah.
How do you feel? How are you preparing for that?
All right. So, as I said, it's a dream come true. So that feeling is like a wow for me, really, wow. But prepare myself now is just back to what I do every day, dance. Try to get different genres as well, get more stronger in them, like, you know, Afrobeat, there's house dance, there's break dance, there's hip hop.
So they're going to give you all of those genres when you get there? I have to go.
Yes.
What?
But end of the day, you know, it's dance your style.
Yeah.
It's still dance your style.
Okay, gotcha.
End of the day, when I drop the dance style, which is our culture, which is what I want to leave an impact there with.
Correct.
So I have to just bring that and just mix it to what they can give me there.
Copy
too,
that.
You know?
All right, Joel. Well, since you say Immortal, come show some things, yeah, man. Nephril is nearby. Come, jump up, sir. It's yours. You're showing us. What dance are you showing us? You
Thumbs
cool?
up.
Me too. Go on, go on over. Thumbs up. All right.
Over here, sir.
Go on then.
Everything I get, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, give a thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Step with it, step with it, step with it. Yeah, stepping on the streets, yeah, I get in the streets. Tell them I say we fresh in the beats, money making at the least. Good body, girl, get thumbs up, yeah, get in the sheets.
Ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, man. Yeah. Very easy. Everything I get, thumbs up. Thumbs up, thumbs up.
No, we need a greater degree of difficulty in a
All right.
seasoned dancer, so we need another dance.
We have to big
so
dance.
give us another level to
So,
thumbs up.
another level.
Yes.
So after when you go now,
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to step now.
Yeah.
So we are going to go 1, 2, and step back. 3, 4.
All right.
No.
So we'll go
1,
1,
yeah.
2,
3.
Wait.
clap. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Not bad, not bad.
Alright,
But
one
this step
again.
gonna fix. Alright, so ready now?
Yeah.
Watch out now, watch out. 1,
2,
2, 3, 4. And step,
1,
step, and step back with the left. 4. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
What? Never get it. I mean, I get it. It was crazy. I'm again. Look, go
All
again.
the way.
5,
1,
2,
yeah.
5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And step, 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 step.
Go on again.
I will continue, alright?
Hold on,
Right.
that's too easy, man.
5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and step, 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 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and step, 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 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and step, 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 step. All right, you want it? Nice. What's your next one?
Thumbs up.
So,
With that dirt.
did I dirt?
Dirt up.
Dirt? So you can dirt bounce?
Is that dirt?
So you don't?
Is that dirt?
You have a ding dong song?
No, we don't know. So, all right. Remember, News in 5. We can't miss that. Second edition, we soon come. Thumbs up for news. We soon come back.
Thumbs